Okay, algebra. Here we go again. Lesson 108, number 5 today. Says Charles opened the old trunk and found $6,750 in $1 bills and $10 bills. If there were 150 more ones than tens, how many of each kind were there? So what I did, how I began, is I said there are $6,750. Some of them are ones, some of them are tens. I know that there are 150 more ones than tens. That should be an addition sign. So for my ones, there are the number of my tens plus 150. So another way to write that would be my number of tens plus my number of ones plus 150 would equal 6,750. So I'm going to write that as an equation and say my 10n, that's my number of tens, plus my 1n, or just n, plus 150 will equal 6,750. You add this together and get 11n equals, get rid of that 150 to this side, and that becomes 6,600. Divide both sides by 11 and you get n equals 600. Then you go back to your equation of 10 times n. So if there are tens, 10n. So 600 is the tens, because you got that. And then your ones would be 150 more than that. That would be 750 ones. And if you added that together, you would get $6,000 in tens plus $750 in ones. Hopefully that's helpful. I know that's a bit of chicken scratch, so I'm going to show you the way that they wrote that up here, which is a little bit nicer. They said the number of ones plus the number of tens equals 6,750. They said the number of ones is equal to number of tens plus 150. Then they substituted and they said number of tens plus 150, so that's your ones, plus the number of tens equals 6,750. Then they get 11 NT, 600. Again, the number of ones was 600 plus 150, so 750. Hopefully that's helpful.